So when it comes time for you to put your extended testing accommodations into your spreadsheet, you can do it one of two ways. So number one, you can bring up the PDF that I gave you, and you can use what's called your snipping tool. You should be able to just type here in your little box and then just start typing in snipping tool and then open it to use it, okay? And if you do that, you're going to want to click it, open, hit new, take a picture of the testing accommodations, okay? You're going to hit copy, and you're going to come over to your spreadsheet and do Control V. So this will allow you to sit here and have it right next to you so that you can type it into the cell and keep looking at it. Okay, now you don't want to download the snipping tool, that's perfectly fine. The other way that you could actually do this is by splitting your screen. So with that being said, you would take the PDF in one screen, pull your screen down, move it over to where you just need to see it, okay? Come back over, take your spreadsheet, pull it down, and once again you're going to move it over to only what you need to see, like kind of squish it down, so that this way you have split your screen and you're just looking at what you need to, and you can type everything side by side. So with that in mind, I'm going to type the prompts in, okay? Let me just move this over just a little bit. There we go. Okay, now what you're going to see me do is I'm only going to take a couple of spaces here, and then I'm just going to keep typing, and I'll show you how to put everything nicely on top of each other. Okay, now we want to have it nicely one on top of each other, okay? So this first one ends at student. So we're going to go to the beginning of where it says on task. You're going to press the ALT button, which on my laptop is right next to my space bar on the left and on the right. So you're going to press ALT plus enter. And when you do that, it'll make it go to the next line. So you're going to do that at the beginning of every single one that you want on another line. So it's ALT and enter. ALT, enter, ALT, enter, and ALT and enter. Okay. So this will put everything right in the same cell and then one on top of each other. So if you actually ended up using the snipping tool and copying it and pasting it into your spreadsheet and you want to remove this box, just basically go right over to it, make sure it'll have these little blue squares all the way around it, and then just hit backspace and it'll disappear.